In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change settings in Claude Projects. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set clear project instructions, so Claude consistently responds the way you want within a specific project. First, open your Claude account and sign in. Make sure you're on the main workspace screen so you can access your projects easily. On the left panel, you'll see a navigation menu. Click Projects. This takes you to a list of all the projects in your workspace, which helps you keep conversations and settings organized by topic or team. Next, click your specific project. Choose the one where you want to adjust the behavior and guidance for Claude's responses. Inside the project, you'll find sections that control how the project works. Look for the instructions area. To add or edit guidance for this project, click the plus icon on instructions. This is where you define the rules and style Claude should follow for every conversation inside this project. Now, set your project instruction. Keep it concise, specific, and goal-oriented so there's no confusion. A strong instruction clearly tells Claude how to answer, what tone to use, and what to prioritize. For example, enter, always respond in a clear step-by-step format. Keep explanations simple, practical, and easy to follow. Avoid unnecessary long paragraphs. This kind of guidance keeps responses structured, readable, and helpful for teammates who need quick, actionable answers. A few tips as you write. Avoid vague phrases. Keep your instructions short enough to scan quickly, and focus on behavior that supports your project's goals. If your project involves tutorials or checklists, emphasizing step-by-step clarity, like in the example, keeps outputs consistent. Also, remember that project instructions apply to all threads within that project, so write guidance that works broadly and won't conflict with future tasks. Once you're happy with the wording, click Save Instructions. This locks in your changes for the project, ensuring Claude follows your guidance from now on. If you ever need to refine the tone or add extra constraints, you can return to the same instructions area and update it. Small tweaks, like clarifying format or trimming unnecessary detail, can make a big difference in overall quality and consistency. That's it. You opened your Claude account, went to Projects on the left panel, selected your project, clicked the plus icon on instructions, entered a clear and concise instruction focused on your goals, and saved it. With this setup, your project responses will be more consistent, structured, and easy for everyone to use.